Hey guys, this is going to be a really quick video just walking you through how to factory reset your Vizio soundbar. Make sure you actually want to do this because when you do a factory reset, it's going to erase all of the settings and preferences that you have set with this particular device. So again, just make sure that you want to do this. And then for that factory reset, you just need to hold down two buttons at the same time. It's going to be the Bluetooth button as well as the minus sign, which is the volume down. So just click and hold down both of those buttons for about 5 or so seconds, and you'll know you're successful when you have all 8 LED lights. They're gonna flash 3 times, and that's how you know you successfully did the factory reset. And again, guys, just make sure that you actually wanna do this because it's going to reset everything back to those factory reset conditions where you're going to have all of your settings and preferences erased. So if you want to go ahead and do that, that's the particular process that you're going to do. Again, holding down the Bluetooth button as well as the volume down button, both of those at the same time for about 5 or so seconds, and that should give you a factory reset. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll check you back here next time.